All right. You got it? Okay, so our scripture comes from Matthew 25th chapter, Matthew the 5th chapter, 25th through the 34th verses. And a woman who had an hemorrhage for 12 years and had endured much at the hands of physicians and had spent all she had and was not helped at all, but whether she had grown worse. After hearing about Jesus, she came up into the crowd behind him and touched his cloak. For she thought, if I just touch his garments, I will get well. And immediately the flow of her blood was dried up, and she felt in her body that she was healed of her affliction. Immediately Jesus perceived in himself that the power proceeding from him had gone forth, turned around in the crowd, and said, who touched my garments? And his disciples said to him, you see the crowd pressing to you, and you say to me, who touched me? And he looked around to see the woman who had done this. But the woman, fearing and trembling, aware what had happened to her, came and fell down before him and told him the whole truth. And he said to her, daughter, your faith has made you well. Go in peace and be healed of your affliction. So our subject is going to be, I'm still pressing towards my breakthrough.
Man.
Stop real.